Welcome to the Rode series. Today we're going to be looking at the Rode Wireless Micro, our most compact wireless microphone till date. Let's have a look at what's in the box. There are two versions of the Rode Wireless Micro. We have one for those who use Lightning devices, and we have one for those who use USB-C devices. In the box, you have a few things. You have two furry windshields, you have a USB-C to USB-C cable, and then you have a charging case. In the charging case, you have two transmitters and one Lightning receiver. The Rode Wireless Micro has a polar pattern of omnidirectional, while it has a sample rate of 48,000 kHz 24-bit and a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20,000 kHz. The Wireless Micro has a range of 100 meters, which is approximately 328 feet. So if distance is your thing, we have you covered. The Rode Wireless Micro takes just 3 hours to come to a place of full charge. And when it's fully charged, you have 7 hours each on the transmitters, whilst you also have 2 extra cycles of charging in the charging case. Now, that's taking into consideration that you are using both transmitters on 2 people. But if you are the only one using the transmitters by yourself, you end up with a total amount of time of 42 hours. And that's a lot of time for recording. One interesting feature of the Rode Wireless Micro is the gain assist. Now, to be honest, you really do not need to be a tech guru or tech savvy to use the Rode Wireless Micro. How does the gain assist work? Now, basically what it does is to see to you that your audio is constant all through your recording, meaning you don't have to worry yourself about, increasing your levels or decreasing your levels. The gain assist intelligibly sees to it that your volume is priority during the recording. Right now, as I speak to you, I'm actually using the Wireless Micro, and as you can tell, the audio sounds good. So we took our time to take into consideration that the quality of the audio that anyone using this mic will be using it for will be perfect. To enjoy the full benefits of the Rode Wireless Micro, it would be advisable you download our app. Now, basically how it works is once you connect your device to your phone and you open the app, automatically the app would see the device. And once it comes on, basically you have a very simple user interface. You have a routing system whereby you can either pick to split your audio or to merge your audio together. Then you also have the LED. You can control the LED. It can either go bright or dim. And then in terms of output gain, you have 3 levels. You can either go low, medium, or high. As at today, the Rode Wireless Micro goes for $149. And don't forget, if you acquire any Rode Wireless microphone, you get 5 years warranty. And until the next Rode series, it's bye for now.